Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to activate Domino's gift card online. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time, since the process is quite easy. Open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in the URL dominos.co.in and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for Domino's Pizza. Click on the gift card option at the top of the screen and then click on gift card once again. You will be able to see the activate tab on the next page. Make sure that you have your gift card ready so that you can enter the card information. Start off by entering your card number available right on your gift card and type it in. Once you are done, enter your card PIN on the next field and then type in your correct mobile number. Click on I'm not a robot. Complete the CAPTCHA if prompted and click on Get OTP. On the next page, enter the OTP that you received via your mobile number and then you will be able to activate your Domino's gift card. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.